I have on the phone Imani Gonzalez. She is an artist educator and professional jazz world vocalist. I'm personally fascinated by the fact that she has done voiceover work for National Geographic Television, including the Emmy-nominated film The Jane Goodall Biography. Welcome, Ms. Gonzalez.
Thank you.
Can you tell us a little bit about the content of this workshop?
Okay, first of all, the name of the workshop is Building Reading Comprehension through Sound and Rhythm. And actually, this started from when I was creating sounds for National Geographic Television Explorer series, and I would have to create sounds to enhance the picture that they would have on the monitor that would bring more meaning to a scene that was happening. And so I created this workshop based on that. This workshop is to integrate reading comprehension strategies with music through the process of creating a soundscape, which is basically what I did for National Geographic. This will help the students develop a deeper and better understanding of the text. It actually puts them inside the text because they become a part of it.
Oh, okay. So this workshop, it's just not for music teachers, it's for any teacher.
Oh, exactly. No. The beautiful thing about arts integration is that it is accessible for all teachers. We don't expect them to be the artist, the singer, the musician, the dancer. It is knowing certain strategies of the art form and integrating that into the curriculum that they're teaching.
So, as I hear you, a teacher who participates in this, such as myself, we wouldn't have to be able to sing or carry a tune per se, because I do neither.
No, we're actually making sounds. We're making purposeful sounds to the text, which brings deeper meaning to the text. Because each student, each teacher has their own interpretation of what something means, and this workshop allows for that interpretation to build. Whereas in the classroom, sometimes that doesn't happen because they're told what it is. So therefore, then they go beyond that, and that's how they comprehend. But in this workshop, we're actually focusing on their interpretation because that's what prepares them for college, actually. So in doing that, they are really getting a deeper understanding, and it engages the readers with literary text in diverse ways.
Well, it sounds like a fascinating workshop. Thank you, Ms. Gonzalez. Your workshop, Building Reading Comprehension through Sound and Rhythm, will be February the 23rd at the Roland Grice Auditorium, and we encourage all teachers to sign up today. Thank you.
And thank you.